Okay, he's getting boxes for this truck that is stuck over here. This big truck down there. I don't know if you can hear the wheels are spinning because it is oh so safe to drive on these roads. It's going to back up.
How do I get there? No,
oh, he's going to spin out. Here, be quiet, guys, so we can hear the truck. He's going to put some cardboards under it so he can get out of being stuck. No chains on this guy. There you go. Oh, he's almost got it. Oh, spinning out. Back up a little bit. Can't get up the hill. Even though this is a very, very slight incline of the hill. But very slippery nonetheless. This is Sunday,